This is an OU weather brief. I'm Jordan Overton. So it is cooler today. We had those clouds. Those will move out tonight, but our temperatures will get around freezing for some areas. The metro areas, not really concerned about that. You guys will stay 37, 38, 39. But if you're in the rural areas out in Oklahoma, you might have to deal with the frost tonight. There's the area for the frost. So we're looking at temperatures 34 to 36. That freezing line right there, right up there north of I-40. So Enid, Bartlesville, Woodward, you guys could potentially have freezing temperatures tonight. Want to bring those plants inside, make sure that they're safe, and also any of your animals or livestock or anything like that. Tomorrow, though, it's going to be great. 8 o'clock in the morning with sunny skies, 38 degrees. By the time we get to noon, also sunny skies. Winds will be light northwest, about 5 to 10 miles an hour, and topping off at 70 degrees by 4 o'clock. There's those temperatures across the state. Tomorrow, 70 degrees, great for this time of year. Light winds, perfect to go out and enjoy the Medieval Festival. That'll be going from 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock tomorrow. We're going to the Final Four in Houston. Not too bad there. Travel to and from will be dry. Not much going on. If you're also planning to hang out in Norman during the game, it'll be fine there. Dry forecast, maybe in the 60s around there. As we go into next week, it is going to warm up. A few clouds on Monday and Tuesday, but 80s around that time. And then we'll start to cool off a little bit on Friday as our next system approaches. And that's about all. We're going to be sure to watch us on Monday at 4:30 on OU Nightly. Good night.